What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I had sparring this morning and it sucked all the energy right out of me. Went pretty hard. Took some big punches. We're gonna go over our friend Gala games. We're sitting at 0.0555, down 4.6 on the day. Market cap 1.66 billion. 24 volume 212 million. So this still looks pretty corrective to me. I mean, you could look at leading diagonal, but it's looking pretty corrective, so I think there is a chance we could still put in a lower low before bouncing. But this is the target zone for a wave 2 pullback. So if we were to bounce from here, break the bullish level, then we can push up in wave 3. We're already in some Gala swing trades, waiting for the next pump to the upside. Last week we had 28 wins, 12 losses, total profit 1,115%. This week has definitely been slower with the correction, but my signals are free. You can gain access at the end of the video. So that's what I would look for. If we break 0.0526, then higher likelihood you will create that lower low before bouncing. And then just watch that bullish level, because that will be your confirmation of an impulse to the upside, but it is looking a little bit corrective. We'll have to see how that plays out. Weekly chart is looking great. We're printing the bullish cross on the weekly buy and go to the beach signal, and retesting that support, that weekly support. So it's healthy, guys. We just exploded to the upside. We're pulling back. You'll probably never see Gala again in the 5-cent range. So definitely a good time to buy if you're not already in. My average price is 0.33 for my largest investment, and I'm ready to ride it all the way up to at least $1. I think it's very likely. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees when you sign up through my link or MEXC. Sign up to one of those exchanges. Make your first deposit. Can be $100, can be $10. Doesn't matter. I don't need your money. Just want to help you reach financial freedom, but I do make a commission off your trading fees. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, and Forex signals I'm giving every day as well. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord, so sign up to one of those exchanges. Make your first deposit, and you get completely free access for life. If you don't want to sign up to either exchange, there is a Patreon link in the description, and you can pay the $10 fee if you like. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.